Hello, today I'd like to show you how to develop a model to manage your receivables on a first in first out basis, commonly known as FIFO. This method assumes that the oldest invoices get paid off before newer invoices. Hence, in the case of customer A, it is expected that March invoices will be settled before April and also April before May, in that order. The payment schedule captures actual payments made under the respective dates. For customer A, 60,000 was made in March, 10,000 in April, and then 15,000 in May, totaling 85,000. Column D has been left blank for a reason. Our objective is to build a formula in this area that will allocate from the payment schedule an amount adequate to take care of the invoices month by month, beginning with the oldest. We are going to do so using the min function equal to min. So we are taking the minimum of the invoice amount vis-a-vis the total payment made. And we make sure we lock our column level. Then let's just close the bracket to see how the formula behaves. Okay, so we notice a total payment allocation of 201,000, which is more than the actual payment of 85,000, which means that our formula is not delivering for us what we expect. So we need to modify that. I'll take out the closing bracket and then subtract the sum of the previous payments made. That is what will create the ceiling and then limit the allocation to the total payments made. So I'll select the previous cell and introduce my colon and make sure I lock the opening cell again at column level, then close and bracket twice, press enter. And then escalate the formula, see how it works. And so this modified formula is delivering for us what we expect to see. So against an invoice of 75,000, payment of 75,000 has been allocated, and therefore there's no balance outstanding on the March invoice. Again, the excess payment of 10,000 was utilized against the April invoice of 43,000, leaving a balance of 33,000. So this is how the total payment of 85,000 was applied on a FIFO basis. Assuming the customer makes an additional payment of 20,000 in June, let's see how the model responds. So we realize that the 10,000 has been increased to 30,000 and the balance reduced accordingly. Again, in the case of customer B, total payment of 90,000 has been used to settle a total bill of 86,000 in March, leaving no balance. And because there's no bill in April, no payment was allocated. And for me, the balance of 4,000 was applied against the invoice of 23,000, leaving 19,000. Hope you found this lesson useful, and thanks for watching.